Hey guys, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, we are going to talk about if you want to send a particular video as a snap, how we can do that. So right now we are in the chat and let's say that I want to send a video to one of my friend. I will select that friend, open that and click on the camera right here. Now I want to send a streak, whatever you like. So for example, this is my streak. I have applied different filters. You can check all of them right here. And let's now you can choose any of these filters and you can place your hand or any object like so. And after that, you just hold the recording button and whenever you want to release it, it will be saved as a video. And there you go, guys. And all the editing options can be seen on the right. You can add further text. You can just balance or color correct this. And after that, you can send it to friends and you can even send to more friends and you have the download option as well. So let's click on my AI. Let's click and send. So this is how you can send it. If you want to look at by yourself as well, you can click on that and you should be able to see that video. So that's pretty much it. This is how you can send the videos to the friend as snaps on Snapchat.